You are watching Today in History Season 1, April 24. This day in history is symbolic, and I'm going to tell you why. On April 24th, 1183 BC, as told by Eratosthenes, the chief librarian of the Library of Alexandria, this day marks the fall of Troy, ending the legendary Trojan War. On April 24, 1704, the first regular newspaper in British colonial America, the Boston Newsletter, is published. On April 24, 1880, the United States Library of Congress is established when President John Adams signs legislation to appropriate $5,000 to purchase such books as may be necessary for the use of Congress. On April 24, 1877, the Russian Empire declares war on Ottoman Empire, starting the Russo-Turkish War. On April 24, 1895, Joshua Slocum, the first person to sail single-handedly around the world, set sail from Boston, Massachusetts, aboard the sloop Spray. On April 24, 1913, the Woolworth Building, a skyscraper in New York City, is opened. On April 24, 1914, the Frank Hertz experiment, a pillar of quantum mechanics, is presented to the German Physical Society. On April 24, 1950, the arrest of 250 Armenian intellectuals and community leaders in Istanbul marks the beginning of the Armenian genocide. On April 24, 1916, during the Easter week, Irish rebels led by Patrick Pearse and James Connolly launch an uprising in Dublin against British rule and proclaim an Irish Republic. On April 24, 1922, the first segment of the Imperial Wireless chain, providing wireless telegraphy between Leafield in Oxfordshire, England, and Cairo, Egypt, comes into operation. On April 24, 1926, the Treaty of Berlin is signed. Germany and the Soviet Union each pledge neutrality in the event of an attack on the other by a third party for the next 5 years. On April 24, 1953, Winston Churchill is knighted by Queen Elizabeth II. On April 24, 1955, the Bandung Conference ends after 29 non-aligned nations of Asia and Africa finish a meeting that condemns colonialism, racism, and the Cold War. On April 24, 1967, cosmonaut Vladimir Komarov dies in Soyuz 1 when its parachute fails to open. He is the first human to die during a space mission. On April 24, 1970, China launches Dongfang 1, becoming the fifth nation to put an object into orbit using its own booster. On April 24, 1990, STS-31, the Hubble Space Telescope, is launched from the Space Shuttle Discovery. On April 24, 1990, Gwynedd Island, Scotland, is officially declared free of the anthrax disease after 48 years of quarantine. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow.